What's going on YouTube? Like the channel is MoneyMarrowTech. Today on the channel, we're going to continue on with the series for the most rugged or protection for your Samsung S26 Ultra. All right. So we already did the 10 gate. That video is out now. Go ahead and check it out soon. Right now, right here, we have the Dexnor series. Okay. We got two different variants: MagSafe protection, kickstand, camera guards, you name it. We're gonna hop this in soon. Real quick side note, stay tuned for the full review of the Samsung S26 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Very excited to announce this right here is one of my favorite products for this year. Very underrated. We're gonna talk a little bit more about that soon. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and continue on with the protection, the maximum protection for your Samsung S26 Ultra. First up on the list is a Dexnor magnetic case with a camera guard. Now this one comes in 7 different colors. So stay with me. We got army green, black, maroon, navy blue, orange, pony pink, and purple. Price range from $34 to $36 on Amazon. I will leave a link down below in the description if you want to pick it up. All right. Now this does come with a 2-frame installment. You either do the one without it, like so, or the one with it. The choice is yours, however you want to pick it, okay? Let's go ahead and start from the front. You have nice rigidity on the front, so you have nothing to worry about for protection right there. If you are worried about it, you can add on the screen protector. Just swap out the frames, all right? The buttons, nice and clicky, all right? Nice little groove on the side here. Cutouts for your speaker grill, just fine. This side is blank. On the bottom here, you can get your S Pen, just fine. You can get to your speaker grill, just fine. Type-C port, just fine. Microphone down there, just fine, all right? On the back here, you have your camera guard. Okay, open it up. We're done with it. Close it up. Do it open when it move when it opens, close. It does not. Down here, you have your kickstand. Okay, open it like so, boom, boom, boom. All right, you want to do it backwards, you can do it backwards too. Done with it, close it up, do it move when it's closed, and do not. And then on the back as well, you have your MagSafe ring. So let's go ahead and test it out, see if it works like it's supposed to. And it worked just fine, okay? Charging up. Now, one thing I want to test out is, do it work with wireless power sharing? And the answer is yes, it does. All right. So that right there was the magnetic case with the camera cover. All right, guys, next up is the upgraded slided camera cover. All right. Price of bad boy range from $34 to $36. You have the exact same colors. So you have black, army green, navy blue, maroon red, orange, pony pink, and purple, okay? See here real quick, side by side, you see the big difference. This one have the MagSafe ring, this one don't. This have the sliding camera guard, this one have the clip on, and they both have a kickstand, okay? Before we get to this one, let us know, they both come with the exact same layout. You either get the frame without the screen protector or with it. Choices is yours, all right? Let's go ahead and start from the front here. You have nice rigidity all the way in the front, right? On top here, cutouts, buttons, clicky, all right? Nice little grooves on the side. On the bottom here, you can get your S Pen, just fine. Speaker grill, Type-C, microphone, just fine. This side, just fine. Go to the back, you have that sliding camera cover. So, see right there. Not bad. It don't move when it's closed or open. It don't. What about if it's closed, do it move? All right, so it don't open when it's closed or open, which is good. Right here is a kickstand. Put your finger right here on the bottom, pop it up, clamps in place so that you can do this way, oh, there it goes, that way, this way, whatever you want to do, and then do it close when you're moving around. It don't, and then just put it back, you just pull up a little bit, go back in place, do it move when it's closed. And it did not, all right? So real quick, let's go ahead and test out MagSafe. Even though it don't have a MagSafe ring, we'll see we'll still get wireless charging through it. And it just won't stick on, all right? And for giggles, let's go ahead and try power shares and see if it works through the case. And survey said, all right guys, so there you go. That right there was the Dexnor cases for the Samsung S26 Ultra, all right? Two amazing cases, but only one is my top favorite one, and that would be the magnetic case camera guard. The reason being is because I'm getting more functionality out of this case. Self-explanatory, I got a camera guard, kickstand, but I also have the MagSafe ring, and for a fact, I know it will work wireless charging with my Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, all right? So for me, here would be the better option for the series. Other than that, pretty much exactly the same. You get the same frame, you get the frame with the screen protector, kickstand, camera guard, price range the same, colors the same, you name it. Overall, a good cases for the S26 Ultra, all right? Stay tuned, guys, for the full review of the S26 Ultra and the full review for the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. All right, guys, if you have any comments or questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me, comment down below. I will leave you in the description down below for easy access on Amazon. Everything you buy from Amazon will go to my affiliate link to get me some money to put towards the channel for a review for you guys. Everything you see here about my own money. It's my own personal review, unbiased. This is what I want to do for you guys so you get the best investment out of your phone. All right, guys, I am MoneyMarrowTech. See you guys next time. Peace.